guys, welcome back to another episode. I'm back at the Iowa River down here where I've caught some pretty decent fish out here in the winter. One point last year, or maybe it was, I think it was about a year ago, I caught one of the biggest walleyes I've ever caught right over there. I'll leave a link to that video at the end of this video if you want to check that out. But yeah, I just figured we'd throw out some stuff today, some normal stuff that I'm throwing out, some jigs and maybe some spinners, and maybe even I'll throw out a bigger bait, and we'll just kind of let it sit down in here, see if there's any toothy critters that are chilling, looking for bigger things that aren't moving. Maybe a pike, maybe muskie, who knows. So yeah, let's get into it. Come along with me, let's do it. Okay, well, let's start off with what I have on here. It is a 1/16 ounce jig head, and that is a Bobby Garland Mo-Glo Sunrise color. It's been doing really well upriver for wipers and white bass. So maybe if there's any of those down in here, they'd be interested. Also, at one point, about a week ago, this entire river was frozen over, and it looks like some ice is still lingering around here on the sides, but yeah, let's give it a shot. Hopefully I don't get stuck with a fish on the side of it. Start off with a nice skip, and yeah, we're just gonna kind of float it down or float it through here, give it some little jigs and pops and some ups and downs, and see if anything wants to bite. Yeah, I think I'll throw a bobber on here and just see if anything wants this color. Just chilling very slowly down there, so we'll see. Dude. Well, that was not good. All right, that might be manageable, maybe not. What a disaster. There we go. Oh, rock. Okay, I rescued the bobber, and now I have that little Bobby Garland jig down there about 1.5 feet below the bobber. Let's just throw it out there, see if we can get the bobber to go down. I may have to change the color here though, find out shortly I think. Get a little bit further over there. There we go, there's a good cast. Alright, let's try a little spoon type deal here. This is by a brand called South Bend, I believe. So we'll try that for a little bit. I'm actually going to throw this out into the rapids over there. I'm sure I can get over there. Yeah, let's see. Oh, that is a fish. It was a fish, yeah, okay, so there are definitely some carp or something down there, which wouldn't be too bad either. I'll definitely take that. Okay, that is not, that's a snag. Get off there. Well, whatever this is, it's coming up. It's actually a fish. I think it's a fish. I don't know what this is actually. Okay, it's a fish. It is definitely a fish. Are we gonna be able to see it? I don't know. What is this? Hopefully it's not like a turtle or something. I think we did snag it though. Big old carp. Big old carp. in the tail, and it's not that big, honestly. I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to get him up here. Come here, dude. Come on, dude. Slide on over, yeah. Well, this is not exactly what I wanted to catch today. There we go. All right, little common carp there. Caught him in the tail, but that's okay. Come on, bud. Let's try something a little bit different. So this is a 1/8 ounce eagle claw jig head there, and then I have a Bobby Garland Patriot color baby shad. Let's see if this gets any attention. It almost felt like it got bit. What we got? Yes. All right. Yes, sir. All right, guys. Well, there are smallies around. That's the first smallmouth of the year for me. That's awesome. Thank you, bud. Nice little pounder or so, but good sign. Maybe I will continue to fish a little bit more here now. But thanks a lot, buddy. Heck yes. Man, I love the smallmouth. If you didn't know, now you know for sure. I love the smallies. Love them. Let's see if we can get another one, maybe a couple more. Maybe we figured out where they are and what they want to bite on here. Almost felt like another bite right there. There's another bite there, or I ran into another fish, one of the two. Come on. Come on, buddies. Come on, smallies. There was another bite for sure, another fish. There we go. I got hammered. Oh yeah, it's another smallie. Oh shoot, lost them, but yeah, definitely another smallmouth. Okay, I think they have either moved in or we found what they want. So let's keep looking here. All right, just changed the battery here. I'll give it 2 more casts and then I'm gonna get out of here. See if we can't catch one more smallie or something else. Maybe even snag another carp or something. They've been around. Definitely been running into them a lot out here. Just snagged that one though. There's something else. I think we snagged something else here. Either that or this is like a world record smallmouth. Yeah, it feels like a snagged carp again. Oh, did he go after it? Holy cow, it's a grass carp, and he went after it. He went after it. He absolutely went after it. Look at that. Come on, swim up here, bud. Come here. Come on. Come on. Holy cow. Come here, Grassy. Look at that. Holy cow. Yes. That is my first grass carp of the year. And he absolutely went after it. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Look at that. He went after it. Look at that. In his mouth right there. No doubt in my mind. Alright, let's see if we can take a look at him real quick. Come here, dude. Alright, check that out, you guys. That is freaking awesome. That is a grass carp, and he went after it in the mouth on a Bobby Garland jig. So, holy cow. That is great. Oh, man. Alright, let's try to get him back in. Slide him out there. Awesome. Thank you. Yes. Okay, one more cast. One more cast. Come on. Get away over there. Alright, I got a fish, but I think I snagged this one as well. I don't know. No, I didn't. What do we got here? Well, a little white bass or something. Dang. Again, now it's going to be hard to change. That is a white bass. Third species I caught today, in the mouth at least. So not a bad day for late January. Okay guys, well that's gonna do it for me today. Did get on 2 fish species that I haven't caught yet this year. Didn't even catch a grass carp last year, so that was an awesome surprise. He definitely did go after it. Always a good time when you can catch a fish that makes you shake a little bit, and that was the first one of the year for me, so hopefully there's more of those to come. Yeah, I'm gonna head upriver now a little ways and see if I can't find anything at another spot, maybe 2 spots. We'll see how that goes, but as always, you guys, I really appreciate all of you watching, and hopefully I'll see you again on the next one. Peace.